When you've gone to the trouble of designing stickers in Cricut Design Space, the last thing that you want is to run into any issues when it comes to printing and cutting them out. Hi, I'm Mim Jenkinson. I have taught over 15,000 sticker makers and crafters all around the world to make stickers that they are proud to use and share. And in this video, I'm going to show you the basic steps that I follow to print and cut my stickers perfectly every time. I'm also going to share with you how you can get my printable cutting stickers guide too, because the thickness of sticker paper really varies, whether it's the paper or the type of paper. So I've put together a guide with some options that you can use as a really good starting point and a place where when you do come up with settings that work really well for your machine and your sticker paper, you can write them down and favorite them so that you never have to start from scratch every time. This is a beautiful sheet of planner stickers that I've already designed, and I want to kiss cut these stickers out. So if you want to individually peel your stickers, it's called kiss cutting, with only cutting through that top layer of the sticker paper and not all the way through. But if you wanted to cut all the way through your sticker sheet, all the way through the backing sheet too, then that is a die cut sticker. So for this example, I'm going to show you how I kiss cut this sticker sheet out. Now, to make sure that each of your stickers is only cut out around the outside edge of the sticker, we want to make sure that you've selected all of the elements of each particular sticker and right-click and then choose Flatten. Or there's a button at the bottom right corner that says Flatten that you can use too, because we only want Cricut to cut around the outside of the sticker. If the sticker features text, we don't want Cricut to cut around each particular letter or any other elements. Next up, you want to arrange your stickers onto a sheet. So a sticker sheet, basically it's going to look exactly the same way on screen as it will when you print it on your sticker paper. So make sure that you've arranged this sticker sheet and everything is aligned as you want it to and as you want it to look. And then we can select all of those stickers on that sheet and then attach them together. So remember, we're flattening each sticker to cut around each one individually, but then we're going to select all of them and attach them together. And this tells Cricut to keep them all exactly in position as you have them on screen. So my next step is to click Make, the top green button, check everything looks as it should, and after that we can click Continue. Now it's time to print the stickers out, so I'm choosing to send to printer, and I'll be printing these stickers on my Canon inkjet printer. I'm going to turn off the bleed option, but turn on Use System dialog, and this means in my printer preferences I can change the print quality to high, and then click Print and watch them print out. After your stickers have printed, check everything looks as it should, and now I'm going to lay these on my Joy Xtra mat. So I'm making sure that it's aligned to the mat and then really firmly press down all the way. You can use a tool like a brayer to really flatten that sticker sheet onto the mat. Now it's time to return to Cricut Design Space, and this time you'll be choosing your cut settings. So you want to make sure that the settings that you choose, the material settings, are aligned to the kind of sticker paper you're using. And the preferred setting that I like to use for my Joy Xtra is called Printable Sticker Paper Clear, No Lining. Now, as you saw, it's white paper and it does have a backing liner. However, this particular setting works really well, and that's the one that I tend to use the most with my Joy Xtra. I'm also going to be changing the pressure to less. Now, if you find your stickers don't cut through enough when you're using the less setting, then you can change the pressure next time to default, or you could always send them through to cut again. It's always better not to cut enough than to cut too much. So when you've added your settings, you can now insert your cutting mat into your cutting machine. I'm going to be using my Cricut Joy Xtra, and then we can hit go and watch them cut out. After your stickers have cut out, we can now remove that sheet from the mat. But what I really like to do to keep those stickers nice and flat and to prevent them from getting damaged, I turn the mat over. And so instead, I'm going to hold down the corner of the sticker sheet and then peel the mat away, and then the stickers will stay nice and flat. We can now test one of these stickers to see how they have cut, and I'm really happy with the clean cut of this Kiss Cut planner sticker. I use planner stickers all the time and I love using my Cricut Joy Xtra to cut them out. I hope this process has helped you see how easy it is to print and cut stickers with your Cricut. And remember, I do have that printable cutting stickers guide that you can access right now too. And just go to mimjenkinson.com/cut to be able to access that. Now, if you have any questions about printing and cutting stickers, I'd love to help you out with future videos. And if you have a particular kind of paper that you use or type of sticker paper, also share below in the comments. Happy sticker making, and I will see you in the next video.